guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage, and I'm gonna tell you what's happening. It is a holiday, 3 days off that I have, and I got a lot of things to work on. But today I'm working on the S2000, and guess what? I was to Facebook Market. I found something that I like for the S2000, and I bought it. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. I drove about 20 minutes away from my house to get it. First, I need to put this back because I haven't driven the car in about, with this, about 3.5 years, and it's part of what I got for it. Let me show it to you guys. So I've been looking for this kit for a while, and did I tell you hit share and subscribe? So I was online, my newspaper, Facebook Market. I run into this. These are two-piece covers. One goes on the right side, one goes on the left side, and it's basically to cover all the ugly things right here and there. The reason I don't take this cartridge to the shows is because when I pop the hood, I don't think it's clean enough. With this, it's a different game. I'll install this first. So this one basically, I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna look, boom, oh my god, look how clean that's gonna look. See, I'm gonna do the same thing over there, and then now the car looks a lot better clean than before. Yes, I am still got to wrap that up right there. I don't have a horn, so I can take the horn out, I guess. And I need a sway bar, I guess, from there to there. If I do that, then I gotta take those. I gotta take these out of here. But it's looking a lot better just doing that cover thing. You know what I mean? And that's gonna look so much better. A lot better. So let me install them and show you how to do it. First of all, you're gonna need a number 10. We'll do this. And I got one right here. This way. You're gonna have a bolt right here. Alright guys, so what I did was put it right about here. That's where it's supposed to go. It does I have another one to show you guys, but you know how you need a hole right here, you would need like a screws. So it's a little metal thing that you wedge it through them. Well, basically that's what I use. Now you can tighten down your screw. That's what I did. So now, boom. Yeah, got it right there. Perfect. Now I gotta mark these where I'm gonna put them. And now this is what these two come with. All right. So these babies have to be marked somewhere here on the inside. How I'm gonna do this, I don't know. Alright guys, that's been a minute doing this. Basically right now I got it loose. I'll show you in a minute what I did inside. Like again, I've used a bolt here, bolt there on the subframe here, the one for the water bottle, and then I put that shield. I do two of them, goes right there on the pass. Wow, that's a lot of work. Now I want to start tightening these up. I'll start from the outside. Guys, I'm not a perfect installator or whatever you want to call me, but I had to make a bracket. So what I did, I don't use the horn. On the battery, on the horn himself, it goes right there. I took it, it was straight, and I bended it like that. Put it in the corner, drill a hole, put a bolt to the bottom. Boom, that's done. The long bracket that I told you in the beginning goes from there up to there. You got the bracket in the back to hold down. On this one, as you can see, I made holes in this side, that side, and then this bolt onto those with those other brackets, just like those over there with L brackets. Now, it looks a lot better with those covers. I wish to make one to cover this right here. The only thing you see is the engine, not intake. But I got this carbon fiber one. I haven't seen the whole count two, big, well, dick, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that's the one that I would love to get here, get it done. But I pay 150 bucks for this. Usually online they go for 300 bucks around there, and they look amazing, you know. So now you go to a car show, you could turn it on. I can put LED lights in here, you know, just on that side, and push lights underneath the car right now if I want to. It will look good. looks pretty dang good. I don't know. Leave a comment underneath. She told me how much look better that looks. I believe it looks 100 times better. Yeah, I love it. Now I'm gonna get my favorite bolt company. You know who they are, Downstar. Then I'm replacing all. This came with a kit, but I'm gonna replace all those with Downstar bolts. And I might get a sock over there so it can come up. But I like it. It does cover everything, like all that ugliness about the brake line, brake booster, and all that. And of course the fuse box and the battery. Now my EC line is going to be a little bit colder because it's not taking heat from the headers. Man, that looks good. Okay, hit share, hit like, subscribe. This is what I'm doing on mine. What is it? Independence Day, whatever it is. The hell weekend it is. I don't know. That's what I'm doing right here, guys. I don't know if I should take this off because that's paint underneath there. I should take that off so that, but then the paint gets messed up. Top. Wow. Next thing I want to do in this car is the Scum 2 intake or independent throttle body on it. I definitely got to replace that damn tensioner. I am replacing for OEM Vita solenoid and VTEC pressure switch. I just want a new. I just bought that. I gotta clean this up. But I just bought that. It was a father's gift last year for my daughter, and I put it there. Kind of dirty because I was fixing the car. Guys, hit share, subscribe, hit like. Share my video if you like an S2000. Peace.